Feeling tired? Not anymore. I'm Bobby Banana and I'm like a natural battery. I give you instant Zoe energy for running, jumping, and playing sports. Let's go! I'm a smoothie ninja. Throw me in with spinach or kale. I make it creamy and sweet so you won't even taste the veggies. Stealth health mode on? All aboard! Slice me down the middle and load me up with peanut butter and raisins. I become a delicious boat sailing right into your tummy. Oatmeal too boring? Chop me up and toss me in while it cooks. I melt into a sweet, gooey yumminess. Put down the sugar bowl. I got this.
It's popsicle time. Put a stick in me, dip me in chocolate or yogurt, and freeze. I'm a crunch, cold, delicious treat perfect for hot days.
Got a rumbly tummy? I'm full of fiber. Think of fiber like a tiny broom that sweeps your tummy clean and keeps your digestion happy. High five for happy tummies. Who wants pancakes? Mash me up with 2 eggs and boom, you have pancake batter. No flour needed. Just fluffy, sweet banana goodness. I am the lunchbox hero. I come in my own yellow jacket, so you don't need plastic bags. Just toss me in, and I stay fresh until lunch. Easy peasy. I'm ready. Time to focus. I'm rich in vitamin B6, that's brain fuel. I help you remember things for test and focus on your homework. I make you super smart. You think only oranges have vitamin C? Nope. I have it too. I'm like a shield for your body, fighting off sniffles and germs so you can keep playing. Turn that frown upside down. I contain stuff that your body turns into happiness. It's true, eating a banana actually helps you feel relaxed and happy. Tump thump. I'm a hero for your heart because I have low salt and lots of potassium. I help your heart beat strong and steady. I love your heart.
I'm Milk's best teammate. I help your body absorb calcium better. So when you eat me, I help build your bones super strong like a superhero skeleton.
Got a bug bite? Ouch! Try rubbing the inside of my peel on it. Many gardeners say it stops the itching fast. I'm a yellow first aid kit. Want ice cream? Freeze me first, then blend me up and I turn into magic soft serve. No dairy, no sugared, added just frozen fluffy banana goodness.
Can't sleep? I can help. I have magnesium inside me, which helps your muscles relax and get floppy. I'm the perfect bedtime snack for sweet dreams. Good night, friends.
Don't throw my peel in the trash. Feed it to the garden. My peel is full of nutrients that make flowers bloom and veggies grow big. I'm garden gold! Want something sweet? Pick me. I'm nature's candy. I'm super sweet and delicious, but I won't give you a crazy sugar crash later. I'm the smart tree! Out of eggs? Don't panic. You can use me instead. 1 mashed banana works just like 1 egg in muffins and cookies. I'm the baking lifesaver. Flex with me. I'm famous for a magic mineral called potassium. It stops your muscles from cramping and keeps you moving strong. I'm your muscles' best friend.